In a vast and colorful ocean, nestled among the coral reefs, lived a peculiar pufferfish named Puff. Puff was unlike any other fish. He had a unique ability to inflate himself with air, making him appear larger than life. One day, Puff, feeling a sense of curiosity, ventured out of the safety of his reef. He came across a mysterious pearl, glowing with an ethereal light. Intrigued, he decided to take it home. As Puff swam back, a shark, named Sharky, noticed the pearl. Seeing his opportunity, Sharky pursued Puff, intent on stealing the pearl. Puff, aware of his predicament, had to make a decision. Puff could either inflate himself to appear larger and scare Sharky away, or he could give up the pearl to save his life. After a moment's thought, Puff deflated himself, surrendering the pearl to Sharky. Sharky, upon seeing Puff's selfless act, felt a strange sense of respect. Instead of eating Puff, he let him go, impressed by his wisdom. From that day forward, Puff and Sharky became unlikely friends, teaching others the value of selflessness over vanity. The pearl, it turned out, held no monetary value. Instead, it illuminated the path for those who truly understood its worth. The story of Puff and Sharky spread throughout the ocean, reminding all that true strength lies not in size, but in wisdom and selflessness. In the end, Puff didn't lose anything by giving up the pearl. Instead, he gained a friend and taught a valuable lesson. The story of Puff, the wise pufferfish, served as a reminder to all that sometimes, letting go is the key to gaining more.